celebrating National Pathology Day as well as Laboratory Professionals Week. So we are celebrating all the staff of our diagnostic medicine, which helps us to deliver best report to the patients so as to ensure best patient care. I feel especially delighted to welcome the young minds present here, our budding pathologists, postgraduate students, enthusiastic learners. You are not just attendees of this conference, but the future torchbearers of the laboratory medicine. So your curiosity, dedication, and passion will shape the next era of diagnostic excellence, of course with the continuous guidance and wisdom of seniors in this field. The conference has been thoughtfully designed to bridge the gap between the knowledge and the practice, from understanding errors in histopathology to exploring automation, quality control, and advancements in oncopathology. Similar pre-analytical, analytical, and post-analytical errors we face in cytology and hematology. So each session has been designed today as a step forward, defining not just techniques, but also our approach to the patient care. At this moment, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to a group that often works silently, yet forms the very backbone of our services. Our laboratory technicians, their unwavering behind-the-scene dedication ensures seamless diagnostic services every single day. Their precision, commitment, and tireless efforts are what makes accurate reporting possible. And today, we acknowledge and celebrate their invaluable contribution. I feel very happy to tell that during my post-graduation period, before getting the courage to go and talk to my seniors, my faculty members, we always interacted with our senior technicians in the section, sir. Janak Singh and team, Yogeshwar ji, Keval ji, I can proudly tell that they were the Jagdish ji, they were the people whom we encountered every day. And we were fortunate enough to learn from their experience of a period of many years. And they were always like our first teachers. They used to tell us on table what to do and what not to do, what others have been doing for so many years. ऐसे नहीं करते डॉक्टर साहब, बोन मैरो ऐसे नहीं होता, डॉक्टर कोल ऐसे कहते हैं, आपने ग्रॉसिंग ऐसे नहीं करनी है, ये आप गलत काट रहे हो, उसको ठीक से काटो, ये टिश्यू बड़ा हो गया, इसको छोटा करो, इसको ट्रिम करो, इतना बड़ा आपके उसमें नहीं जाएगा. So they were the first ones and we learned a lot from them. And we'll have the good fortune of meeting them today later in the day. So I encourage all of you, especially our young delegates, to actively participate in question, engage the faculty and make the most of this academic platform. This is a pure academic program where we're talking about what problems we face every day and how we should take care of them. What should be our attitude in daily practice in our department when we are working, when we are encountering the patients, when we are doing the techniques, and how we should start from extracting the maximum information from the patient and the attendants. एक पेशेंट होती है बेटा जो बच्चे खुद देके जाते हैं, पेशेंट खुद देके जाते हैं, जो रेडी इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, और एक होती है जो आपको अपनी विजडम से उनसे एक्सट्रैक्ट करनी होती है. So you should learn how to do that. That makes you wiser and more experienced in this field. I extend my sincere thanks to our seniors, Dr. Khan, Dr. Kol sir, Dr. Goswami sir, Dr. Ruchi ma'am, Dr. Subhash sir, for Dr. Meena Sidhu ma'am, for all their guidance and mentorship which has made us what we are today. My sincere thanks to the organizing team and the administrative staff for making this event possible. Let this day be one of learning, inspiration and meaningful interaction. With these words, I once again welcome you all and wish you a highly enriching and successful conference. Thank you. Thank you for being here.
Wait. हाँ जी, ओके जी.
Thank you, sir. We already have this ticket at IUPM website, but we have come up with the website and give us suggestions also for any improvement or feedback. We would love to have your feedback on this. Thank you.
We now move to the prize distribution for poster making competition held on the occasion of National Pathology Day on 13th of April 2026. I am pleased to announce the winners. The first prize is awarded to Sadia